Drake versus Kendrick Lamar. Let's go in what the true meaning of OVO is. OVO stands for October's Very Own. It's a Canadian independent record label founded in 2009 by rapper Drake, producer 40, and manager Oliver L. Khatib. Other of her signs includes beak symbols with eye symbols on either side, OvO. Similar symbols include human figures with the vulva, the beak symbol, and two mammary glands, the eyes, on either side of it. The face of the thunderbird from the Inuit Indian Reservation in Washington. October's Very Own, 75-78. Grail vessel or ark, 75. Vulva, 78. Mammary gland, 75. Noah 40 Shabib goes with the face of Thunderbird, 87. Bird Goddess, OVO, 52. The Entiat are often spelled Eniat or historically referred to as a part of the Squaxin or Wenatchee people are a Native American tribe in Washington state who are one of the 12 bands comprising the Confederate tribes of the OvO Reservation in eastern Washington. You put Eniat, you get 498632, which would give you other ways to spell vulva, which is Vilva or Bilva, 86. Like That was one of the songs Kendrick sang, 86. 12 and 49. Drake, Ohio is actually a place, 86, 49 in Ohio, and it also goes with Bell or Ball, 32. Now, when you look up the goddess and you see that it's antagonistic on the top there, the sky woman, it says that creatress of the sun and woman, ancestress of the Hurons, she who was cast out of heaven by her consort, she who fall from heaven caused the earth to be fished up from the primordial lake bottom. Then the male consort, it says chief who owns the earth. I'll put her name, Antianstic. You get Noah 40 Shabib, and you got OVO. Sir George Gray in Australia discovered the remarkable figure below. In 1836, the face was painted vividly white, the eyes black, and the rays extending from its head were bright red. The OVO marking is plainly evident. Compare the Australian illustration with the sandstone carving found in Stark County, Ohio, and believed to be of the Celtic sun god Bel or Baal, and he has the same radiant halo and OVO eye and nose marking. October 24th, 57, Vulva, 57. That's his birthday, Drake's. His full name, Aubrey Drake Graham, goes with the face of Thunderbird, October 24th, Vulva, October's Very Own. Other vaginal option, PUSSY, 300, goes with his full name. Remember, that's the lyric from Not Like Us. Aubrey Drake Graham, and goes with face of Thunderbird, all 300. There's the lyric again, what OVO is for. Kendrick Lamar Duckworth, 135, October 24th, 135. Coincidence or not? Kendrick Lamar goes with OVO from the lyrics. October 24th. Other vaginal option, PUSSY, face of Thunderbird, Noah 40, Shabib, and Vulva. January the 8th was, it says, when they celebrate that goddess from earlier, 107. It goes with chief who owns the earth, her consort, 107. Now, January 8th was when Kendrick Lamar performed at the College Football Playoff National Championship in Atlanta. He performed the song DNA Element Humble, and it says that the performance was part of the 2018 CFP, that's the College Football Playoff. That's above there. So what I did, that day he sang All of the Stars. It goes with the OvO, and it goes with Drake's Fool's Name. He sang the song Element. 29 115 goes with that goddess Authentic 29, and it was at the Centennial Olympic Park 115. Humble, where he performed it at the Centennial Olympic Park, goes with that goddess name again, an Element. Drake and Kendrick Beef 119 goes with one of her twin son name Hagwa Diu 119. Compare the Australian illustration with the sandstone carving in Stark County, Ohio, and believed to be of the Celtic sun god Baal or Baal. He has the same radiant halo and OvO eye and nose marking. See it right there. Now, in Drake's song Uptown, it say, I see all this money through my Ohio State Buckeyes. Ohio, Baal, 26-29. Baal or Ball, 68. Ohio State Buckeye, 68. Like that, Kendrick Lamar, 86, 32, 49. Drake, Ohio, 86, 49. Baal or Ball, 32. There's a V on Jesus' head, 143. Goes with Kendrick Lamar, Meet the Grams. Shroud of Turin, 73. Meet the Grams, 73. Meet the Grams. Released on May 3rd, 2024. May 3rd, 2024 goes with Uptown, Drake's album or song, and goes with Drake, Ohio. Vilva or Bilva is another way to say vulva. Goes with Drake, Ohio, Like That, Baal or Ball. The English words bird, beak, and bill might be poetic renditions of the original V sound associated with the vulva. Vilva or Bilva, the womb, and the letter A. In this context, there are a number of curious facts that need to be pointed out.